仓库总体比较长，总体达到了79米。
The length of the warehouse is 79 meters long. It adopts a single rail with 2 stacker cranes design. The south side connects to the south production line. The north side connects to the north production line. This arrangement ensures efficient operation and improves the overall operational efficiency. We use a dual-station AGV that can carry 2 pallets simultaneously and deliver them to the picking station at the same time. It is twice as efficient as a single-station AGV.